So it's 1 a.m. It's probably past that now, probably like 1:30. We've been out here a little bit. There is constant snowfall from Nemo. This is the blizzard in progress. It's nice. It's not all that windy. We're getting probably, well, so far 6 inches of snow, but I think up to 11. There's the church. Oh, I don't want to do that. There's the church. There's the steeple. There aren't any people though. Don't. I know you thought that's where that was going, but it's closed. Snow. Snow. Lots of snow. Okay, well, they've cleared the street a few times actually, so it's not that impressive looking, but it's that impressive feeling. Feels pretty awesome. Feels pretty cold. I'm not dressed nearly warm enough for this. Check that out. Yep. I'm probably gonna get pneumonia and die. So I should go inside. Yeah, you too. There's a person. It's the snow. See you later, buddy. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how deep it is. There's my hand. There, I'm touching the ground now. It's not too deep. Okay. I'm gonna go across the street. Oh, here comes a car. Is that a cop? I don't know. Walking. Ooh. Beautiful. No, it's a cab, but it's like a Jeep cab. Don't stop. There's a person. I should go inside. I don't want to get killed. Okay. And there you have it. My first blizzard that wasn't in a cup at Dairy Queen. This is the real deal. Alright. Peace out.